How to get a business loan for your mobile mechanic services. Mobile mechanics deal with fuel costs, tools, parts, and vehicle maintenance, all of which require capital to stay operational. When unexpected costs arise, fast funding makes a huge difference. We act as independent brokers. We are not part of David Allen Capital, but we partner with them because they offer fast, fair, and flexible business funding options. David Allen Capital works with multiple lenders to secure your best offer, often approving within the same day and funding in as little as 24 to 48 business hours. They also have a $500 meet or beat guarantee. So if another lender beats their offer, they will either match it or pay you $500 in cash. If your mobile service has 6 months of operation, steady revenue, and clean bank statements, you're in a strong position to qualify, even with just average credit. Click on the link in the description below and apply today. You could have funds within days. Best of luck!